Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a mini grocery haul. This is from Walmart, all these I think, and also Ross. If you want to see specifically what did I buy for this week, please keep on watching. So no specific order. I'm gonna start left to right. So my husband got me this at Walmart. I like to do baking with this. I did a carrot cake the other day that it calls for walnuts and I didn't have, so he bought me for the next time. So this, yeah, it was a Walmart, like I said. He bought me this one. I'm not sure if he bought two and the other one is upstairs, but yeah. Next, this I did a place an order on Instacart because I didn't want to go out today. So all of the stuff that are from Aldi's, I got it today. That I placed an order on Instacart and I just got it. So this I've been obsessed on doing taco salad. So I did order this for the next few days. I'm gonna be doing taco salad, obviously with cheese and ground beef and all that good stuff. This, my husband bought it at Walmart. This is, I'm gonna be doing like a red velvet. I'm not sure it's gonna be cake or cupcake. Not sure yet, but I did need this baby for the recipe. Got this. It was a really good deal. That's why I got two. I think it was like $13 for this huge bag of jumbo, the extra jumbo shrimp uncooked. I'm planning to do like a stew or maybe shrimp scampi, not sure yet, but yeah, you can see it's almost 2 pounds, I think it is. Oh yeah, 2 pounds of shrimp. Next, ricotta cheese. I discovered the best combination ever. This with eggs, make like omelet, egg omelet with this is, it adds like another level, like moist. It's really good. You should try this. It's really good. Cottage cheese. I'm obsessed with cottage cheese. I don't have too much to say. I eat this for snack when I'm craving and I feel a little bit hungry. This is one of my go-to snack. I bought these two also on Aldi's. This I thought it was Greek yogurt, but what I got here, I thought it's regular plain yogurt. So this with a little bit of strawberries or blueberries, it will go fine with it. Eggs. These are the ones that I'm using right now. This is from Walmart, pasture raised. Hens. So yeah, this is from Walmart. Italian seasoning, because you can never have too much seasonings in the house. I only have two of these because everything else is upstairs. But yeah, finally my husband got the chance to grab me some Sprite Zero because they were nowhere to be found. So yeah, finally I like this more than the actual Coke Zero. So yeah, these finds, I was so happy. I never seen this the skinny syrup but keto version before. It has MCT oil. This one is the vanilla one. It doesn't have as bad ingredients as the other flavoring syrup, may I say. It says it's good for coffee, baking, protein shake. I'm gonna try this one for the protein, and this one I bought it specifically for coffee because I used to love the cream with the hazelnut flavor. So this is why I bought this one. This mayo, I'm obsessed with it. Good ingredients. This is from Walmart. I actually find this every once in a while in one specific Walmart. I don't know why all of them don't carry them. Good ingredients. The first ingredient is avocado oil, so it's perfect. Doesn't have any other type of oil, so to me that's really, really good. That's why I got two. It was the last two, so that's why I got them, because I don't know when I'm gonna find this mayo again. And this was fine. It was actually my husband brought me this. I never seen this before. The mix of almond and coconut flour in the same bag. So I'm really excited to use this one. Pretty good ingredients as well, really clean. He's so spoiled. He just spoiled me every time. So like I was saying, good ingredients, just almonds, cassava flour, organic coconut flour, and that's it. So pretty much it's a little bit high on carbs expected because it has cassava flour, but guys, you know, I'm not full keto. I'm more like low carb with a twist of keto, so I don't mind the amount. And if you see the actual serving size, 1/4 of a cup, 30 grams, 16 grams of carbs is not a lot. So we'll see. I'm gonna be doing some recipes soon with this, and I will let you know how it goes. So yeah, you guys, this was my mini haul from Walmart, Aldi's, and Ross. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching, and like I always say, sharing is caring, and be kind to yourself. See you next time. Bye bye.